Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jenica. So for today's video, as you can see on our title, ang title natin ngayon is Unboxing Yesstyle Surprise Box. Yes, I'm only the second person na naka-receive ng surprise box this month from Yesstyle. And I'm super happy kaya gumawa ako ng separated video for this surprise box. Just to say thank you sa Yesstyle. Ayan, thank you so much Yesstyle. And ano nga ba ang Yesstyle? Yesstyle is an online shopping that has a wide range of selection like clothing, beauty, and marami pang iba. Their products came from Korea, Japan, Taiwan, and marami pang iba. Meron ako nakita from USA. So, perfect yon kasi mas makakamura ka kapag bumili ka sa Yesstyle. And you can use my code to have more discount para makatipid pa from Yesstyle. And makuha nyo yung favorite Korean beauty products nyo in a lesser price. Ayan. So, let's start the unboxing. Ano nga ba yung nasa surprise box ng Yesstyle? Meron itong kasabay, kaso in-unbox ko na yan sa aking vlog. But this time is a special one because it's a special box from Yesstyle. So, ayan ang mga nakuha natin. I'm super happy. Akala ko guys, konti lang yung nasa surprise box. But then, ang dami-dami. First product that we've got is itong, ang dami-dami. First product that we've got is itong Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. So, ayan. So, may mga siguro kapag may mga pekas ka, yung mga spot, dark spot, this one is perfect for you. So, kinokorek niya yung skin mo, especially this summer. Or, di ba nasusunog yung skin natin, nagkakapekas tayo. So, this one is perfect for your skin. Ayan, para magpantay ang inyong kulay. So, let's see what is inside. Guys, I'm going to leave the link down on the description box ha, kung gusto niyo siyang gamitin. Ayan, ito yung sa loob niya. And this one is with Axis Y Climate-Inspired Skincare Solution. Yes, perfect nga to sa mga may pekas, ganun yung may mga dark spot. Wala naman kasi akong dark spot, but just in case we're getting old now, we will have dark spot anyway. So, this one is perfect for us. This one is by Simply Clean and this one is Bring the Light Serum. So, it's a serum kasi I really love serum. Perfect to kapag ayan, malapit na tayong mag-30s. Kailangan natin alagaan ang ating mga mukha. So, this one is perfect for us. Wow! This one is by SIORIS. SIORIS Bring the Light Serum. So, ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Perfect to. Nakaka-bright siya ng skin. So, after siguro mong gumamit ng pang dark spot, kailangan maging glowy ang ating face. And next we have, what is it? Ngayon ko lang kasi sila nakita. Ayan, ROVECTIN Clean LHA Blemish Ampoule. Ampoule na naman, kasi kanina guys serum, but ampoule is more concentrated substance. Much heavier siya sa serum, but it's more effective than serum. So, ayan, ito yung ating ampoule. Ayan siya, guys. This one is ROVECTIN Clean. Ayan. ROVECTIN Clean. Tingnan nyo, guys. Napaka-concentrated niya sa loob. As you can see, para siyang gel. Kapag ampoule kasi is para siyang gel. And sa loob ng box, guys, meron ako nakitang mga super cute na stickers. So, you can put your name here. You can put your name here or anything that you want. Ayan. Hello guys, di ba ang bait ng Yesstyle, guys? I can't believe na binigay nila to. Sobrang daming beauty skincare. Next we have MIZON. Black Pearl Eye Gel Patch. Ayan, perfect to for your eye bags, ganyan. Grabe, Black Pearl. Hindi kaya mahal to sa Yesstyle. I'm going to leave the link down on the description box. Guys, kung gusto nyo siyang itry, ayan, buksan natin. Kapag ito, hindi pa ako gumanda talaga sa Yesstyle. Thank you so much sa Yesstyle. Ayan, meron siyang kasamang spatula. And ang kanyang product. Wow, the packaging is really nice. So, ayan siya guys. MIZON Black Pearl Eye Gel Patch. Ayan. Siguro, i-scoop mo siya dito and then you're going to put it in your eye bags. Ayan. Perfect. Thank you so much, MIZON. Parang hindi ko naman lahat magagamit lahat. So, ayan guys. Next, we have 2 more products from Yesstyle surprise box. Next, we have BE Plain BHA Peeling Ampoule. Nice! Peeling ampoule. Hala. Di ba kapag nag-beach ka, minsan you're super dark and kailangan mong mag-peel and mag-exfoliate. This one is perfect for you, or kung gusto mong magpaputi, ayan, perfect to. Ampoule na peeling. Wow! Ayan siya guys. Wow, laki naman ng binigay nila sa akin. Ayan guys, yung nasa loob niya. BE Plain BHA Peeling Ampoule. Exfoliating Oil Control Ampoule. Perfect kasi napaka-oily ko, be. So this one is really perfect for me. Thank you so much. Hello. I'm going to post this on my Instagram, guys. And watch out for my vlogs kasi gagamitin ko naman talaga ang mga binigay sa akin ng Yesstyle. Para matry naman natin and ma-review natin sila. So, ang last na na-receive natin from Yesstyle is from Fig Yeonggam, Korea. This one is Yeonggam, Korea Fig Cleansing Balm. I'm from. Ayan, from I'm from. So, buksan natin siya. This one is 100 ml Fig Cleansing Balm. Uy, maganda to. Instead of using soap, balm is really good for your skin kasi hindi niya hindi niya nasisira yung ating skin. Sobrang smooth niya sa skin, especially when you are cleaning your face. You don't need cotton anymore. You just need balm and then you have to wash your face after. Oh, perfecto! Ayan guys, eto siya. Fig Cleansing Balm from I'm from. From I'm from. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Wala. Nakaka-happy naman and ako yung napili nila to be part of their Yesstyle surprise box. Ayan. So, we are done unboxing everything. Hala, ibabalik ko to sa lahat sa box kasi hindi ko pa naman siya gagamitin lahat. I still do have a lot of products from Yesstyle. And right now, I'm really in love with all Yesstyle products na binigay sa akin. I'm super lucky. Ayan, ibalik na natin sa ating mga box. So, ayan guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much again from Yesstyle for giving me all these products for free. And, ayan guys, if you want to buy all these products from Yesstyle, I have a discount code for you. I will leave the link down on the description box. And nandito yung aking code. Ayan, ang aking code. It's JENQYS1. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!